The breath between creation and destruction, the moment the universe inhales before it speaks again. Without silence, sound is chaos. Without stillness, movement is meaningless. Without space, even truth has nowhere to echo. The wandering through time, trapped in mind, making me blind, echoing fears, shattering unbreakable mirrors. He shadow boxes his own fears, made of ancient shears and magical gears. Beethoven used silence like a blade, sharp, deliberate, divine. Miles Davis once said, it's not the notes you play, it's the notes you don't play. And John Cage built an entire symphony around that idea. His piece 433 is nothing but silence, forcing you to hear the world as music itself. If you zoom out far enough, that same principle writes the story of life. Every birth comes from a pause, every revelation from a still mind. Even the Big Bang began with a silence so deep it split itself open to see.